gentlemen. Rotate. Here we go. Excellent.
Can I get a left shoe for the place?
Ladies and gentlemen, Dean Martin.
Somebody stole my gal. Somebody stole my pal. Somebody came, took her away. She didn't even say she was leaving. Those kisses I love so. He's getting, now I know. But gee, I know that she would come to me if she could see her broken hearted lonesome pal. Somebody stole my gal. Those kisses I love so.
Those kisses, I love them so.
He's getting now, I know.
Those kisses, I need them so.
Oh, gee,
Oh, gee,
I know that she
I know that she
would come to me
would come to me
if she could see.
if she could see her broken-hearted, lonesome pal. Somebody stole mine. Somebody stole mine. Somebody stole my girl.
Hi. All right. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Hey, everybody, welcome to the show. Before we start, I got to make an announcement. See, a couple of minutes ago, a young lady by the name of Helen Hunt came up to me and said she found a wallet with $600 in it. There was no identification in the wallet, so if anybody out there lost $600, you can go to Helen Hunt. Well, I gotta get ready for the next sketch. Point the Italian way you want, this way.
Okay, clear. Let's go, gentlemen. Thank you.
Ready?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, Tim! Woo! Anybody home? I'll be there in a second. Okay. I'm glad he's here. We need some bourbon, you know?
But you know what's better than bourbon?
What?
What's in that cash register?
Yeah, we haven't got a gun.
I know we haven't got a gun. I'll tell you what, come here. I'll use this 2x4. Here, you wait outside.
Okay.
Keep the motor running.
I'll keep it running.
Come on, get outside.
Yes, sir. Can I help you?
Yeah! You can cooperate by giving me what you got in that cash register. You won't get hurt. Come on, make it fast.
Okay, Pally.
Come on.
Okay. Hey. Easy. Yes. There you are.
Only $20? Why, you dirty crook. You rotten bum.
Hold it. What happened? Let's go back and pick up the cash register.
What happened?
From the cash register, John.
Yeah, hit him in the head.
All right, you want to hit you in the head?
Yeah, I want to
I'll hit you in the head.
over.
Right. Okay. Let's pick it up from the cash register. Mick, close up. Pick up a Dane right over here where he hits the cash register.
Okay.
Up three.
Beautiful.
Make it wider on one.
Hit him in the head.
Okay,
Rolling.
Don't back away now.
No, hit him in the head.
Here we go.
Won't be the first time.
Cooperate, you won't get hurt. Okay, pal.
Just cooperate, you won't get hurt.
Okay, pal. Hey, it's okay.
What, just $20?
That's all I got.
Why, you dirty crook!
Dirty.
What do you want? What do you want?
There's a wallet in my pocket. Take the wallet.
What do you want me to do?
Open it up.
Oh, open it.
Yeah,
There's nothing in it.
in the small pocket.
Oh, in a small pocket.
Yeah.
Small pocket.
Oh.
It's a $100 bill.
Yeah.
Well, what do you want me to take the 100 for?
Buy yourself a gun before you kill somebody with that 2x4.
Hey, pal, come here.
All right, go on.
Let's see you, son.
Dean Martin Show, opening title, show number 815.
You know, a lot of you have been writing and asking to hear more of our theme song, Everybody Loves Somebody. I sing a few lines of it at the beginning of the show and then a few lines at the end of it, but tonight I'm going to answer your request and not sing it at all. I'm only kidding. You all want to hear it, so we're going to go through. You don't mind, do you, Ken?
Oh, I'd admire to hear you.
You'd admire, too? Well, going into town, Miss Lucy? Now, this is Ken Lane, and he doesn't mind no matter how often we do this song because he wrote it. He wrote Everybody Loves Somebody. Everybody loves somebody sometime. Everybody falls in love somehow. Something in your kiss just told me that sometime is now. Everybody finds somebody someplace. There's no telling where love may appear. Something in my heart keeps saying that someplace is right here. If I had it in my power, I'd arrange for every girl to have your charm. Then every minute, every hour, every boy would find what I found in your arms. Everybody loves somebody sometime, and all my dream was overdue. Your love made it well worth waiting for someone like you. Now you take care of yourselves and remember, everybody loves somebody, and I love you all very, very much. Good night and God bless you.